Hello guys, my name is Baha and I welcome you to BahaRC.me, the first real-time FPV remote control platform where you can take control of my RC cars. Today we're going to be reviewing a new system from Caddx Ascent VTX and VRX systems. Shout out for Caddx for sending me not just one unit but two. Before I start unboxing, I'd like to make a disclaimer. Caddx did not sponsor nor pay to do this review, and everything what I say is my own opinion. Okay, let's get started. I'll be unboxing one VTX system and one VRX system since both units are the same. And let's see what we have inside. Nice packaging. I must say it's a nice packaging. Has protection. Very small packaging. Very small packaging. Pleasant to open. And let's see what's inside of VTX system. It is very small system, very tiny. A small camera. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's so fragile. I can't even get in. Okay, it comes with a USB cable. I guess it's a data cable. The antenna, and the camera I cannot get the camera out. Okay, I did it. Look at how tiny is this camera. Oh my goodness, how tiny is this system. I don't have a, oh, I do have a, I have a dollar. Have you seen a dollar? So it's almost like a size of a dollar. It's a pretty neat system. I guess I think it's well designed. I would say it's well designed. Very tiny camera. Um, I'm not sure how good is it, but definitely can work with it. I printed a 3D. I have a 3D file on my Discord channel. If you guys interested, I designed this mount. Let me show you somehow. And according to the size that was given on a website, it should fit inside. And if you guys interested, you can go to my Discord channel and download it for free. Yeah, it does fit. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. It has a 180, no, 120, I'm sorry, 120 field of view of rotation. It's perfect for any RC car. Yeah. Okay, that's the VTX system. Let's see what's inside of VRX. Oh, also it comes with a manual, I guess. Very small manual. Works. Okay, that's the moment of the truth. The long-awaited VTX. I just must say something about the VTX system. Very important disclaimer. I want to be transparent here. I won't be using Caddx Ascent system for my project. That doesn't mean it's bad product. It just doesn't fit my specific use case right now. Still, I'm genuinely thankful to Caddx for sending me this unit for review. And my honest thoughts and concerns regarding this product. Personally, I would not buy the system with my own money, um, especially right now, uh, mainly because Caddx is still far behind of DJI. Even though DJI was banned in the United States, uh, the Caddx was Caddx failed to capitalize on this, and I think they should work on this. Um, let's see, packaging is tight. Another concern that I have with Caddx, very sensitive topic. Another thing I want to mention, Caddx officially launched this product on January 8th. It was on pre-sale. But for some reason, system was available much earlier in Ukraine and only in Ukraine. Now I don't want to make a conspiracies here. Very nice boxing. Very nice boxing. I don't want to make any conspiracy here, but I don't know if Caddx was capitalizing on the fact that Ukraine is involved in active conflict with another country. But yeah, strange. Why Caddx? Why would you let Ukrainians to have a first hand and not everyone else? You know, and nothing against Ukrainians. You know, I believe Ukrainians have a full right to defend themselves and use all possible methods according to um, international rules, I guess. But anyway, Caddx, what's up with that? Look at this, how tiny. Fits on my palm. Very nice design. Has 3 buttons. Has a joystick. It says 5D back record. On the bottom we have a DC input, USB, micro USB input, the HDMI, full HDMI. Okay, what else we got? Another box. Another thing what surprised me, I just went there to check the price on this thing, and when I went to test the card system, because everyone was complaining about it, they were asking for tip. Well, they were suggesting for tip, and I don't know how I feel about that. If it's meant for developers, maybe that's cool, but also raises question about whether the company pays enough to the team. So yeah, I was very shocked and surprised about that fact that Caddx would ask for a tip. But you know what? The good benefits of having a Caddx, it's definitely cheaper than DJI systems. Look, it has a left LHCP, I think that's what it's called. LHCP. Very cool, very neat. So yeah, I was saying it's very affordable than DJI. It's a lightweight, open ecosystem. Latency is, I think it's acceptable. Website claims it's 30 milliseconds. It is good enough for RC cars. Definitely not good enough for my project, but it's workable. Oh look, it comes with tiny HDMI to HDMI cable. Is it even HDMI? Yes, it is HDMI. Why is it small? Why is it small, Caddx? Why can't it be bigger? Well, right now. Oh, look at this. Another small cable, power cable. Why not have a proper cable size? This is not proper cable size. Just no. I think it needs to be bigger, in my opinion. And it comes with 3M stickers, and it has a quick start guide on how to use VTX system, I guess. I will go over this, but yeah, I will not use this system for my project. And if you decide that this is the system that it fits your needs, I'm gonna leave the link below. Also, I'll be giving away those 2 units. One is open, sorry about that, and one is unopened unit. The information you can find on my Discord channel, also in a link below. But yeah, I guess it's workable. I haven't tested the system yet, but I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna upload it pretty shortly. But let's go over a couple stuff. The system still lacks of quality compared to DJI. It's far behind. Another thing what bothers me, it really bothers me, why to make a pre-sale on January 8th but let only one country that is using this kind of system for defense and active war. Why let them use the system before anyone else? Like, why not, if you're selective, why not have United States users to have a first-hand access? Why Ukraine? You know, and why ask for tip? Like, again, it doesn't bother me, but that's just a question. Why? Anyway, it's a good system. I seen a lot of people using it, not with VTX. They have a goggles. They're using it with goggles and looks alright. Latency 30 millisecond. Distance it claims to have up to 6 kilometers. And it has 3 active channels that can switch. It has SMB bus and micro USB port. Yeah, overall, I'm pleased to see that they have something cheap available for general public. It's really good thought products as far as like pricing. And I'm glad that it opens up competition, because we know we have another open system, which is OpenIPC, which could be built for same price as this VTX and VRX systems. The whole system cost around $130, $140 US dollars. Yeah, that's all from me. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Um, and sign up for my giveaway. Maybe you'll be lucky to get a an open and unopened um, VRX system with VTX. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe and the bell button so you won't miss any notifications if I'm going live. Um, and check out my website. If you like to donate and support my project, please go to baharrc.me/donate. Um, I have multiple ways where you can support my channel, and stay tuned. I'll be making a video on how I built my track. Uh, yeah, that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.